Good morning, students. I am Bhatti Samina. The name of my school is Sri Sahajanan English Medium School, Nathej, Atuna. I am taking SS subject. Today I am taking 7th standard SS. Our 4th chapter, Rajput Age, was completed. Now we will start the exercise. Lesson number 4. The first question is choose the correct answer. Which empire ruled till the end of the 16th century in India? Lachiri, Kushal, Gupta and Maurya. Answer is a Gupta dynasty. Second one. After the death of which empire did the feudal lord and the chieftains become a rulers? Empire Samudragupta, Empire Harshvardhana, Empire Kanish, Empire Chandragupta Maurya. So answer is Empire Harshvardhana. Third one. Who is considered to the powerful ruler of the Kannauj after Empire Harshvardhana? हर्षवर्धना के बाद कन्नौज का एम्पायर पावरफुल एम्पायर कौन कंसिडर्ड था? आंसर इज यशवर्मा. Fourth one. Which town was made the capital after establishing rule in Ajmer by the ruler of the Chauhan dynasty? Ujjain, Kannauj, Jaipur and Delhi. Answer is Delhi. Fifth one. Which king of the Palwa dynasty is considered to be the powerful king? Answer is Narsi Verma. Beta, you will be write the option also, and afterwards you write answer and write the answer. Okay, beta. Sixth one. Ruler of which dynasty invaded Ceylon, means a Sri Lanka. Previous the Sri Lanka name was a Ceylon. The answer is Chola dynasty. Seventh one. Ruler of which dynasty had a powerful naval army? That is a Chola dynasty. Answer the MCQs was completed. Now fill in the blanks. Main question to fill in the blanks. First one. In the end of the 7th century, the unity of the political power of Dash Empire broke. So answer is Harshvardhana. Harshvardhan Empire broke. Second one. The person who collect the renewal of the particular province was called feudal lord. Third one. The ruler of the Pratihar dynasty of Kannauj had to protect India from the invasion of the Arabs. Fourth one. Ujjain and Dharnagari were the chief cities of Malwa. Fifth one, last one. Dash was the powerful ruler of Chauhan dynasty. So, Prithviraj Chauhan. Okay. Last one. When Rajput become martyrs against enemies in the battlefield, their wife Rajputani performed. Rajputani armies will be attacked into the Rajput and they finish. So what the Rajputani is done? They do the Juhar. Juhar means to burn alive. Answer in 1 and 2 sentence. Main question 3. Answer in 1 and 2 sentence. First one. After the death of which empire did the feudal lord and the chieftains become free? So, after the death of the empire Harshvardhana, the feudal lord and the chieftains become free. Second one. In how many and in which different part are the state of medieval age divided? So they are divided into the two parts, North India and South India. Medieval states are divided into two parts: state of North India and state of South India. Means um, upper and lower part. Okay, beta. Uh, Third one, who had protect India from the inventions of Arabs? The ruler of the Pratihara dynasty of Kannauj had to protect India from the inventions of the Arabs. Which were the two main Malwa cities during the Parmar dynasty? परमार डायनेसिटी के टाइम पे कौन सी दो cities थी मालवा में? The two main Malwa cities during the Parmar dynasty were Ujjain and the Dharnagiri. Fourth one, which powerful king exists in the fifth one, sorry, which powerful king exists in the Solanki dynasty in Gujarat? So the Solanki dynasty powerful king like Mulraj, Kaparpal and the Siddharaj Jaisingh exist in Gujarat. So, sixth one, which were the two well-known states during the Rajput age in the South India? During the Rajput age, the state of the Palwa dynasty and Chola dynasty were well known. Which temple were considered during the Palwa dynasty? Situated into the south part. Kailashnath temple of the Kachi was constructed during the Palwa dynasty. The ruler of which dynasty of South India were art loving and loving lovers of literature? So the ruler of the Palwa dynasty of the South India were art loving and lovers of the literature. Now from here answer the following question. Main question 4, answer the following question. 2 mark question answers is there. First one, when did the wives of Rajputani perform Juhar? Why? वो जुहार क्यों करती थी? Why? Okay. If the husband died in the battlefield or going defected against the enemy and were arrested as a war prisoners, the wife of Rajput means Rajputani performed Juhar to burn alive. Okay, beta. Second one, why were well, lakes, step wells, etc. considered like the temple in the ancient time? That is a question in your textbook, page number 20. The answer is, in the ancient time, like a temples for a different purpose. Architecture work were carried out, well, lake and step wells were considered to get water for cooking, washing clothes, drinking, etc. So they making the welfare for the peoples. Third one, who were the known as a feudal lord? Okay, Samantas. The king divided his vast empire in the three provinces. He was divided into the three provinces. The person who collected the revenues of the particular province was called feudal lord. Okay. Fourth one. Which period is known as the early medieval period? So the period from 8th century uh, to 12th century is our earlier medieval period. Okay. Here main question 5, answer the following question. This one is the last, answer the following question. Describe the characteristics of the medieval Rajput men and women. Okay. Otherwise the question will become like this one. Mention the attributes of the medieval Rajput and their wives Rajputani. So the answer is, the characteristics attributes of the Rajput were as well following. This is the answer brief. Okay, beta. So you will be right. Maybe possible it's coming in 5 marks answer. So point, if you are writing in the point wise, it is easy for learning for you. Okay, beta. Now first point, Rajput were brave and the adventurous. Second one, they felt proud in the laying down their lives for their country. कंट्री के लिए वो अपनी जान भी कुर्बान करने को तैयार थे. ओके. दे नेवर रिट्रेटेड इन द बैटल फील्ड. कभी बैटल फील्ड से दे आर नॉट, वेन एवर दे फील कि अगर वो हार रहे हैं तो भी वो पलट के नहीं आते थे. दे ऑफर्ड डिस्परेटेड फाइट इन द सेफ्रॉन क्लोथ्स. दे एम्ब्रेस डेथ if they lost hope to winning in the battlefield. They protected their refugee at any cost. Okay. They were never ready to fight for truth. They were ever ready to fight for the truth. सच्चाई के लिए हमेशा लड़ने के लिए तैयार रहते थे. The characteristics for the wives of Rajputanis were following are: first of all, they have to be in Juhar to burn alive. First one, they were known for the Juhar to burn alive on the prey of their husband and for their fearlessness. They are ever ready for the Juhar, okay, for burn alive. Second point, they give send off their husbands, sons, or brothers similarly to the battlefield. They are never frightened. They have to be a send their husbands, sons, brothers for the battlefield. Okay. In the time of emergency, they also wear weapon and went to the battlefield for the fighting. ऐसा टाइम आ जाए तो वो खुद भी फाइटिंग के लिए, वॉर के लिए रेडी रहती थी. ओके. They perform juhar to burn alive on the period of their husband in the case their husband meet with the death while fighting on the battlefield. अगर वो battlefield में हार जाते थे तो वो अपने आप को रेडी रखती थी जलने के लिए. वो दुश्मन के हाथ में नहीं आना चाहती थी. दे विल बी अलाइव, बर्निंग अलाइव. ओके. इफ द वाइफ्स ऑफ राजपूत feared that they would be a catch by the enemy, they perform juhar to burn alive in the group. All are going to be alive. They will be a burn. Okay, beta. Chapter was over. So as possible as you will be submitted your lesson, your exercise, because 4 lesson was completed. Now on next means on the Monday we will be started the new chapter. So better stay at your home, be happy and enjoy your life. Goodbye. Start the study also.